Welcome students. Today's topic is order of reaction. It is a sum of powers of concentration terms present in the rate law. I will be explaining you. It can be used for both elementary and complex reactions. Elementary is that reaction which takes place in one step only. One step only. Whereas complex reaction occurs in many steps. This is your elementary or complex reaction. So order of reaction is what? It is a sum of powers of concentration term present in the rate law. Let us take one example here. Suppose we are having a reaction in which the rate is equal to x and by. Suppose we are having any reaction in which the rate of reaction is your this is in this manner. So what it says that concentration of A is dependent or sensitive to this value, where the concentration of B is sensitive or dependent on this value. So on adding these two, x plus y, we will get the order of this reaction, and this is your rate law. X plus y is your order of reaction here. Some facts I am telling you about order of reaction. It is determined experimentally, means it is a practical value, it is not a theoretical value. It is having no relation with stoichiometric coefficients. If a reaction is in several steps, like our complex reactions, then what will happen? Suppose if any reaction occurs or proceed in several steps, then the slowest step will be its rate determining step, will be its rate determining step. See here, suppose if there is any reaction A which converts into B, then B which converts into C, this C again converts into D. Now suppose this reaction is fast, B to C is slow, and again from C to D is fast. So from which reaction or from which step we will find its rate determining step? See here, this is the first step in which the A is converted into B, and second step is a slow step in which B is converted into C, and third step in which this C is converted into D. See here, as I had told you, at slowest step, this is slow step here, so this will be the your rate determining step. From this only you will came to know what is its actual rate. So this the slowest will be its rate determining step. It can be in fraction, can be 0, or can be negative, can be negative, and this is only for inhibitors. Now fifth point, most of the order of reactions have 1, 2 or 3 order of reactions. Higher order of reactions are very rare. Reactions are very rare. Facts about order of reaction. See here, it can be determined experimentally. It is having no relation with stoichiometric coefficients. If any reaction is in several steps, then the slowest will be its rate determining step. It can be in fractions, 0, or can be negative value. Most of the reactions have first order, second order, third order reactions, whereas high order reactions are very rare. These 0, fraction 0, 1, 2, 3 all reactions will be studying in next videos. Now let us understand it by taking one example, numerical here. This is here we have taken one numerical. The numerical is calculate the overall order of reaction which has rate expression. Rate equals to K. K is your rate constant here. This A raised to power half and B raised to power 3 by 2. So how to calculate its order of reaction? Solution: order of reaction with respect to A. Suppose if we are talking for reactant A, then what will be its order? Is its order of reaction? Its order of reaction is half. Order of reaction with respect to B. What is its order of reaction with respect to B? It is 3 by 2. What I told you? I told you that it is a sum of powers of concentration terms present in the rate law. See here, this is our rate law. This we have to find out the order of reaction. So simply we have to add this power and this power we have to add. So whatever is the answer we are getting will be your order of reaction. In this reaction, this half is the power of A. So this is the order of reaction for A, and 3 by 2 is order of reaction of B. So we have to calculate overall. So overall means 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to your 2. So for this reaction, our rate of order, our order of reaction is 2. See here, for this rate of reaction, our order of reaction is 2. Simply we have to add the sum of power of concentration term. Hoping you are getting this video. Thank you.